My name's Aldo Garcia. I'm a carpenter here at the Lucas Museum. I grew up maybe 5 minutes away from here in the West Adams district. I was born here in Los Angeles. My family are migrants from Mexico. I grew up in a dysfunctional home. I found my love and care elsewhere with the neighborhood gang. I got incarcerated at 19. As a kid, I didn't see any opportunity, honestly. When I was released, I had a friend who pushed me into construction. It was an incredible honor to be here in one of the biggest sites in Los Angeles. And to be here from the very beginning when this was all dirt. I feel like I'm somehow giving back now to the community instead of taking like I was. I'm a carpenter. I'm proud to be a carpenter. And now I'm able to provide for myself. To be a local around here and to have this job, it's a huge honor to me. And I just don't say that to say it. It really is.